got wheel damage. Looks like one of your wheels is out of alignment. You'll have less grip out there. We got damage on the front end. That aero damage is probably slowing you a lot.
So, not a great start. This green Porsche behind smashed straight into the car beside me that then hit me. I've got aero damage and wheel damage, and we haven't even done the warm-up lap. So I don't know what on earth that guy's doing. Never seen anything like it. Just unbelievable. Anyway, I've qualified 4th. I don't know what car I've got beneath me. It's damaged. And we'll see. So I don't know when the lead is going to go. We're waiting for the pace car to come in, but it just beggars belief. I don't know if some of these people have come from ACC and don't realise you can't hit people. But, I mean, look at him. This green Porsche is an absolute nightmare. He's going to take someone else out, I'm sure.
The pace car
We'll
is
see.
ready.
We've gone.
Green flag, green
He's
flag.
on the inside, that Porsche, so I'm sure he's going to come up the inside of everyone. But let's see what I've got beneath me. Oh, my God.
Looks like your car is towed.
Right.
You'll need a tow
I
back
mean,
to pit
this
lane.
is just
Press and hold
absolutely
the reset button
flipping
and we'll come
ridiculous.
and get you.
I'm going to protest that guy because that is just absolutely ridiculous. So I've got a car I can't drive because somebody has whacked into it on the formation lap. Can you believe that? It's just unbelievable. So we hit this car in front that then hit me. I mean, this is just, there's no fast repair, so that's it. You know, that's my whole race now. Completely knackered on the warm-up lap by some complete idiot. So let's watch. So this green Porsche, you'll just see him. I don't know what he's doing. Straight into him and straight into me. Lose my bumper. What is he playing at? So yeah, it's this green Porsche, number 6. When you go, you can hear him go into second gear, I think. So he speeds up, second gear, smash. What a complete numpty. My car's just completely ruined. Completely ruined.